Hi boys and girls, so we're going to continue our Rangoli that we started last time with our paper quilling. Remember, Rangoli is symmetrical patterns originating from India, and we started those last time. We need to make sure to do them in the pattern. We're not just going to randomly glue down different colors. We need to make sure that we have a plan. So like I would start in the middle, which you did last time, and then start to build around that circle. That is in celebration of the holiday Diwali. It looks like a W, but it's pronounced like a V. And that is a Hindu holiday. It is celebrated this year beginning on November 14th. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to continue doing that with your Rangoli today, okay? Okay, so welcome back. So I've got my Rangoli that I started last time. I haven't worked on it anymore. What I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to create a pattern. I'm going to take my little paper strips and I'm going to use a quilling technique. Remember, quilling is when you take paper and you basically roll it up and then kind of set it up to create a design. So I'm going to take my stick, a toothpick or the end of your pencil will work, but you're going to start to wrap your strips around the stick. And actually this kind of becomes pointless after you first start. So if you just want to take that out and then wrap it up with your fingers, I kind of like to just roll it with my fingers and kind of use my other fingers to kind of hold it in place. You can do it however it works best for you. But remember, there's lots of different ways that you can do this. You can make it like a circle, or you can make it like a, I'm going to call it a teardrop shape. The way that you do the teardrop is you start like a circle and you let it kind of loose in your fingers, but then you're going to pinch it to kind of create that teardrop. So just on one end, I've got round over here, but over here, I'm gonna pinch it to create a teardrop shape. Then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna set it in the glue. I don't wanna drown it in the glue. I just wanna get a nice even layer on the bottom. If you get too much, you can kind of tap it on the end there. So you can kind of see I've got glue all over. I'm gonna put it where I want it. So I'm gonna get it pretty close here. If your ends kind of pop out like this, that's okay. You might need to glue another piece next to it to kind of hold it down, but I'm gonna hold it for at least 5 seconds to make sure that it kind of stays where I want. And I can already see that little end is popping out, so I might need to glue something else down next to that in just a minute, but I'm gonna hold it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that should be pretty good. I'll glue another piece down next to that to put that back where I want it. So again, you're just gonna take your little strips and you're gonna roll them up, okay? And I'm gonna do a time-lapse video for you because I know this can be a little bit boring and slow. It does take a lot of time and patience to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that for you so you can kind of watch the process, but sped up just a little bit, okay? Okay, and so here is what I've got done today. You can see I'm not finished, but eventually I'm gonna fill up the space. I'm using a pattern, so I'm repeating colors. Okay, I did kind of like a orange, purple, green, purple, orange, purple, green, purple around so that it's kind of a pattern. I started with yellow in the middle and red on the outside. So you can do a similar kind of pattern. You can look at some of the examples to get some ideas, but eventually you're gonna cover all of your circle with your different quilling pieces. So good luck today, guys.